Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I thought I would just do a quick pack with me, and I have two orders that I'm going to be packing, but this will give me an opportunity to go into more detail with you guys on the freebies that go in and then how I pack my orders. So I am going to jump right in. And so my first order is going to be for Heather. And I am going to set Heather's order over here to the side, making sure not to show any personal info. So the first thing I'm going to do for this packet is I'm going to put Heather's freebie together. And so my new freebies that I started as part of my first anniversary include two savings challenges. One is just a random numbers 1 through 8. It'll save you a total of $50. The other one is a save $2 for each circle. Plus there is a surprise underneath the scratch off, and it could be percentage off. It could be any type of deal for my shop. And I do change this monthly. So this is still the month of September that I'm packing this in. So this is still September special. And then I include two motivational cards, daily reminders. I include a signature bank slip, and then I include my card. So I package all of this inside an A6 purple envelope, my favorite color. And then I finish it off with gifting a pack of paper clips. And I try to look for unique paper clips to go into the packages, so I'm constantly on the lookout, but that is the freebie that will go in there. And then my card, and as I mentioned, this one is for Heather. So we'll put that to the side there, and we'll get into Heather's order. So the first thing Heather ordered is 4 Falls Savings Challenges. So she ordered the chrysanthemum, the chamomile, the sunflower, and the African daisy. This is actually a set of 6. You can buy them separately, or you can buy the entire set of 6. And Heather purchased 4 of the 6. So I will set this to the side. The next thing Heather ordered was my Bountiful Savings Challenge, and this is a really popular one. I am really pleased with the way that you guys are loving this one. I've sold a lot of these in cardstock with a glossy laminate. I've sold a lot in matte vellum. So this one is a hit, and I'm hoping that Heather will enjoy doing this one. So we will close that up and put a sticker on the back and set that to the side. The next thing Heather ordered is one of my new favorites, and I do this challenge on my channel. So watch my savings challenges, that video, and you'll see me do this one, but this is a newer one. It's 20 questions, pickpocket. It's got the scratch offs and questions underneath, and she ordered number 1. The one I do with my savings challenges, I always explain it in the video, but I'll explain it if this is your first time joining me, is any scratch offs that I do in my videos are scratch offs that I make just for myself, so that I can, first of all, so I can play the scratch offs, and secondly, so I can show you guys how to play the scratch offs. So this particular one has 2 sets of questions, number 1 and number 2, which are completely different than the ones you'll see on my channel. And she ordered number 1, so hopefully she'll like number 1 and maybe come back and get number 2. And this one like I said, is one of the newer ones in the shop, so hope she has fun with that. The next challenge that she ordered was my jeans challenge. It's a set of, you can buy them separately, or you can buy the set of 3, and she got the set of 3 that include the savings challenge envelope that go with it. And so you have the wide leg jeans, the turned up jeans, and the Hug My Curve jeans, and these are completely customizable in that you determine how much you want each icon on these to be worth. So you determine how much you can save, and then once you're done with them, you can completely clean them off and do them all over again, change your dollar amounts, and then the 3 challenges will fit in the savings challenge envelope. So I'm going to package this one up for Heather. Again, this one is relatively new to the shop. I also have a version of this in 5x7 with scratch offs, so a couple of different denim challenges in the shop. I went on a little denim kick with my last release. So let's make sure we're wrapping this tight because I don't want this to move at all in shipping. All right, so then we'll seal that up and we will put a sticker on to close up her package. Okay, so that's going to be Heather's order. And then what I will do is I will stick all of this into a bubble wrap bag to try to keep it nice and protected in shipment. So we'll put those in there and then we will seal it up. And we'll put a sticker on it. And then we'll take Heather's order and fold it up and put that in her package as well. And I hope I grabbed the right size package for this. I like it to be snug because the snugger it is, the more protected it is and the less chance that something's going to shift around. There we go. It's kind of sticky because I'm putting bubble wrap into bubble wrap, but I want to make sure it's really protected. You hear the bubbles popping? All right, there we go. We're getting it down in there. There. And see how nice and thick that package is. Okay, so we have that all done. And we will not forget to put her order in there. There we go. We'll throw that away and we will close this up. And seal it with a Penny Palette Budget sticker, and then put on the fragile sticker that the post office ignores, but we'll put it on there anyway. And then I have her address label, and I want to be careful not to, as always, not to disclose any personal information, but we will get this on there. Hopefully in one try and keep it smooth. There we go. Okay, and that is going to Heather. Heather, thank you for your order. So next, I am going to go through putting a gift packet together. And this order is for Michelle. Let me pull Michelle's order and set it to the side here and tell you guys what Michelle ordered after I pack her freebie. So let's put this together. Oops, let me get the affirmations. And then the business card, and all of these go in here. And then we have Michelle's paper clips that we're going to clip on here. And we'll set her freebie to the side. And I need to write her card. All right. Is that dry? I think that's dry. So we'll put her card there. And first, Michelle ordered a Cloudy Days bank slip. So these are available in my shop. I made them available for purchase separately at the request of a customer. They coordinate with the Cloudy Days envelope inserts and with the Cloudy Days envelopes and A7 envelopes. So there's a whole series of coordinated items, but someone had requested that I make just the bank slips available, so I did, and those have been selling as well. And then next we have some more fall flowers, another fall flower savings challenge. She ordered 4 savings challenges together, so she chose the sunflower fall flowers. Now this one I had in Heather's package as well, but it was in the glossy. This is the matte laminate version. She also ordered the Beautiful Savings Challenge. Heather's was in the glossy cardstock, and Michelle's is in the matte laminate. She ordered the Money Tree Challenge in the matte laminate. This is an oldie but goodie. And then she ordered my Star Notes tracker in matte laminate. And then she ordered my Sweater Weather Challenge, which is one of the newer challenges with the matte laminate finish. So this comes either with a glossy finish or a matte laminate finish, and she ordered with the matte laminate finish. So let's package these up for Michelle. And I am so appreciative to any and all of you guys who support my channel, have supported my shop. I greatly appreciate it. And this is going to do it for her savings challenges. So we'll put this to the side. And then she also ordered some custom cash envelopes, some matte vellum cash envelopes. So she ordered the blue floral, and this is again one of my older designs, so I was really surprised. And actually I had thought about discontinuing this one, and then boom, somebody orders it. But this is the blue floral pattern, and she ordered spending, she ordered boys, she ordered kiddos, buffer, Nova, and eating out. So these come in sets of 6, and you can choose your category. You can also choose your font. And so let's package Michelle's envelopes up for her. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold this up so the envelopes are packaged in there tight so that they are protected. And we'll grab a sticker and we will put a sticker on here for her, and that will package up her envelopes. So let's get all this together so we can put it in her pack. All right, I'm going to take her order and I'm going to fold it up so I can include a copy of her order in there for her. And like always, I will put this in a protective bubble wrap bag and I'll go fighting with this. Oh, this one isn't too bad. Not bad at all, actually. Okay, we'll grab a sticker for the package, and then we'll grab a slightly larger envelope for this one because of those cash envelopes, and put those in there. And see, I think I have everything in there. See, you guys, I told you this gets smoother and smoother every time. Thank goodness. But I think I do know how to prep much better now for these. So my stickers are coming out. Let's get rid of those. Okay, and then we're going to put her fragile sticker on the back so the post office can ignore this one. And then we'll turn it over and we'll put her address label on the front. And let's see if I can get that. Let's see if I can get this centered. I think that's pretty good. All right, so that will be Michelle's order. Michelle, thank you so much for your order. And these will be off to you guys tomorrow. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me. When I have an opportunity, I'll continue doing these pack with me's. Gives me an opportunity to show you guys, what other people are interested in, and then we'll remind you what's in the shop. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you are not subscribed, I would hope that you would consider subscribing. And as always, leave me comments. You guys know I love your comments and I do respond to everyone. So until next time, guys, thanks a lot. Bye.